How to remove person from photo using AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, and we're going to be using Gemini for it. I chose Gemini because it is for free, first and foremost, and secondly because it does a great job. So you only need one thing, which is your Google account. So if you have your Google account ready, you simply just want to go to gemini.google.com. From here, you simply just want to go ahead and log into your account, and then we simply just want to get started. So the first thing we need to do is just upload the image which we want to remove the person from. So we can just click on this plus icon, click on upload files, and simply just select the image. Now the image that I got is from Unsplash. It's from Land O'Lakes. So we're just going to be using it for the sake of this test. So just double click on it and it should be uploaded right down here. Now, as you can see, this is the image before anything, and I'm just going to remove the guy on the right. So now that we have this image uploaded, back here, we want to basically specify the person that we want to remove. Try to the best of your ability to describe them the closest you can, because sometimes it could get mistaken and remove a different person. So position-wise, the guy on the right, maybe clothing is going to be another great indicator, and so on. So I just said, I need you to remove the guy on the right only, keep everything else the same. So we can just try this prompt and click on submit. Now, obviously in your case, you want it to be more specific for the person that you want to remove. Anyways, it's just going to take a little bit of time, and then it's just going to do the magic and remove the person that we selected. So as you can see, same image, same everything, we just have the person on the right missing. So all you need to do now is just download the image and you are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.